our bird dogs. So for the bird dog, you're gonna be on all fours. I always like to start my bird dog with a nice big cat-cow, and then from there, finding a neutral spine, and then locking it in with my core, okay? So the goal here is that nothing is moving here in the torso, okay? Especially here around the lower back, you're gonna use those lower abs to hold that position in. From there, you're gonna nice and slowly pick one opposite arm and leg up and extend out. Reaching your hand away from your foot. Holding for a count, and then come back in. Reset, change it to the other side. Okay, so really paying attention to what's happening with the lower back, really focusing on maintaining this neutral spine. And those are bird dogs.